Maria Ressa, Rappler CEO and Time Person of the Year, is now making headlines herself again. Authorities arrested and detained her overnight on Wednesday in relation to a cyber libel case involving a 7-year-old news article. Press freedom advocates say it is an attempt to silence a news organization critical of the Duterte administration, while Malacanang says it shows nobody is above the law. Others, meantime, are left wondering, what exactly is the crime and law involved? Ressa's case falls under the Cyber Crime Prevention Act of 2012. Under the cybercrime law, libel is similar to ordinary libel, punishable under the revised penal code. The difference, the crime is committed on the internet instead of print.
Kung kanyang defamation, pag-defame ng tao o pag-discredit ng tao, ginawa niya to the computer system or similar technology, maliwanag yung cyber libel.
Another difference is the penalty. In printed libel, the penalty is imprisonment of 6 months to 4 years. But libel committed online is punishable by imprisonment of 6 to 10 years. Ressa's case stems from a report on a businessman's alleged ties to the late Chief Justice Renato Corona. It was published in May 2012, 4 months before the anti-cybercrime law took effect, which means the law does not cover the alleged offense. But in February 2014, Rappler made corrections to typographical errors on the article, so the website reflected a second date, 2 years after the original publication. The Justice Department used the 2014 updated version as basis to indict Ressa. Businessman Wilfredo Keng filed the case against Ressa in 2017. The National Bureau of Investigation dismissed it because it is beyond the 1-year limit to file libel cases. The case was reopened in March last year on the argument that Rappler can still be held liable under the theory of continuing publication, even if the prescriptive period for filing a case had lapsed. While the Supreme Court has upheld the anti-cybercrime law's constitutionality, the specifics were not covered. Among them, whether or not cyber libel can be a continuing crime. This leaves room for interpretation when to apply the prescriptive period. Is it from the original date of publication or the last time it was shared?
Kung i-apply mo yung revised penal code, tama, 1 year from publication. Pero may tinatawag kasi na continuing crime. No? So pag continuing crime, let's say na-tweet, na-retweet, na-email, na-re-email, then hindi mo alam kung kailan matapos yung prescriptive period, di ba?
Ressa's lawyer believes this legal point may reach all the way to the Supreme Court. Her arrest comes 2 months after she posted bail on tax fraud charges. AC Nichols, CNN Philippines.